How to pin YouTube to Windows taskbar. Today I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to pin youtube.com on your Windows taskbar. So let's just jump right in. First thing you're going to have to do is open up your Edge browser. If you don't have it, you can install it with any other browser on your device because this is the only browser that can do it. So you're going to have to redirect YouTube via this browser. So what you're going to do is click on the three lines and then find more tools. Right here, you'll find something called Launch Taskbar Pinning Wizard. Click on this. I'm just going to show you guys on the other browser. As you can see, if I head over to Chrome and more tools, there is no option to launch the pinning wizard. So other browsers are not useful for this. Now from here, you're going to have to select your site. Just select youtube.com and then click on continue. Once that is done, you'll be taken to another page. So it will ask you if you want to pin YouTube to your taskbar. Press yes. And then from here, you can choose any other apps as well. I'm not going to do that. Click on continue. Now from here, choose your current settings and then finish. Now, as you can see, I've successfully pinned YouTube to my taskbar from my Microsoft Edge. So if I click on it, it will open youtube.com on Microsoft Edge. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll see you on the next one.